Hi, this instructional video will teach you how to make a cube using origami paper. The type of origami we'll be doing is modular origami. Start with 6 pieces of square paper. And you can use 6 pieces of the same color paper. I'm using 3 different patterns, 2 pieces of each pattern. Start with one of the pieces of paper. And with origami paper, I'm actually using scrapbook paper. There's a colored side and a white side. Put the white side facing up. This is my left side. This is the right side of the paper because of the way the web camera is. Fold the paper in half. So meet the right edge of the paper to the left edge. And be precise with your folds and use nice sharp creases. Now unfold. Now meet the right edge of the paper into the center crease and the left edge into the center crease. Take your top left corner, bend it down so that the right edge lines up with the right edge. Bend your bottom right corner up so that the left edge lines up with the left edge. Now unfold your paper and you will notice 2 corners that have been bent. Turn the corners underneath. So tuck these corners underneath. And now what we want to do is also bend this top left corner down, but tuck it underneath the right panel. Now bend this bottom right corner up, tuck it underneath the left panel. And this is a parallelogram, and it's all neatly tucked into itself. Turn it over. You'll notice you've got 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Take the topmost acute angle. Keep your finger on the obtuse angle on the left side. Fold the topmost angle on the right down so that the vertex meets the vertex of this obtuse angle and make a crease. Now bend the bottom point up so that the point meets the 90-degree angle up there. And now we have a square, and if you stand it upright, you will notice that the square has what looks like an X. It's very important that the X is on the outside because this is going to be a place where you put another piece. This is going to be pockets, and this is going to be tabs. So we need 6 of these. You have 1, you now have to make 5 more. And I have mine all made already. They're right here. I've got 2 of each pattern, or 2 of each color. I'm going to start with any random piece. And I'm going to take a different patterned piece, line it up exactly. Now turn one of them 90 degrees, take the tab, put it into the pocket. And here is one face of the cube, here is another face of the cube. This is the edge of the cube. Now I'm going to turn this so that the same color paper is directly opposite that one. And I'm going to now start building off of this face using my 3rd color paper. Once again, you don't want it going the same direction. You want to rotate it 90 degrees. Put this tab into this pocket. But now that I've done that, there's a little bit of a problem in that I have a tab that's underneath. You got to pull it out, stick that tab into the pocket. Now I have a face of the cube that is complete. This is an edge that's correctly done. This is an edge that's correctly done because there's no air showing in that edge. But here I can see that this is yellow, so I need another yellow corner sticking into that pocket. So I'm going to take this yellow piece, put it into that pocket. Now that I've done that though, there's a tab that needs to go somewhere. So it's going to be pulled out and stuck into that pocket. Now I have a bluish color, and I need another bluish color over here. So here I go. Once again, pulling out the tab underneath, sticking it into the pocket, pulling out the red tab, sticking it into that pocket. By the way, this process right here is really excellent for building spatial reasoning. Taking this tab, putting it into the pocket, and I think I only have a little bit more to go here. I have to take these two tabs and put them into the pocket. I may be done now. I know I'm done if when I inspect my cube, I've got triangles that are facing one another that are matching in patterns. Every edge is covered. I don't have any air in my edges, so all 12 edges are there. This particular model is lovely. If I had a little present, I could surround it with this model. And not only did my friend get a present, but they have a puzzle that they can take apart and put together again. So good luck with your model.